Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the DJI Mini 2. So, as far as you guys know, I'm a drone aerial cinematographer. Does it even click that much? Okay. I am an aerial cinematographer and a photographer. I've never shared that much my kind of workflow throughout my Instagram account, but I've been sharing throughout YouTube. If you come across my YouTube channel, my vlogs, you can see sometimes I use drones, sometimes I use those kind of DJI Pocket and stuff like that, which it's really impressive. But today we are seeing a DJI Mini 2, which it's really impressive because I was so much pumped and waiting for this kind of drone for quite a while, since I've been using the DJI Phantom 3 standard. This has been my kind of drone since in a while, and it's really kind of great thing. But I thought that right now, having a bigger drone like this, let's be honest, it's really massive, and if you just want to go out there and shoot that kind of cinematic, sometimes it's like hectic because you have something bigger just with you, and you know what I mean, it's really kind of heavy duty. Now here comes the thing. Okay, here comes the DJI Mini 2, which it's really impressive. I thought that this might be great thing because it's just a pocket one, which you can just like move it with it around. It's not actually the pocket one, but it's just portable. That's what I mean. It's portable, easy to carry. Even if we're going for cycling, sometimes I just want to get a cinematography of an area which I just wanted. Sometimes you're just out there somewhere, you just want to get that moment and you can't because of one thing. You have a bigger drone. It's impossible to carry with you around all the time. But today we are having this kind of drone, and something which is so great, it's 249 grams, which it's actually allowed by FAA standard, I think so, which they allow you to have this drone without any license and stuff, because when it comes to license in Tanzania it might be a problem, but I think with this drone it might not be a problem because it's not heavy duty like this one, like the DJI Phantom 3 standard. This one you have to register yourself and do a lot of things, but with this one I think you're not allowed to register, or if you want to, it's up to you, but to me I think you're not allowed to register since the grams, it's just so light. It's just minimal drone, I can say. Yeah, but it's packed with amazing camera sensor inside. Enough of me talking, let us just dive in and let us just unbox it. Okay guys, we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed. Whoa, that's bag. I love the bag. It's really impressive. Let's check it out. Woo! That's a dope bag. Let's be honest, this is a great and amazing bag. So we're gonna just see what's happening in here, what's packed, and what's happening. But first of all, you can see here we're getting this kind of, is it a paperwork or something? No. This is like a bag. You know those kind of stuff you get throughout the bag, but we don't need it actually, but I'm gonna just keep it aside. So what's in here, because I'm just pumped guys. Woo! You can check it out. There we have it. This is our drone. You can see how much it is. It's a really smaller one. It's really small and dope, and I really like it. We're gonna keep it aside first. Okay, what else inside, because this is a full combo. So this I think is a battery drip, or this is a controller. Let us see. This is a controller. I thought that this is like a battery pack because they usually give it like a pack, but this is actually a controller. Let me just share with you guys so you can see what's happening in here. Whoa, this controller, it's bigger, really big and impressive. Feels like a gaming controller, you know what I mean? So yeah, you can see, you can just click here and it's just turning on. There are like joysticks in here. Are they joysticks? I think so. They are joystick. I'm crossing my fingers for that. So you can just screw them here, and this one here you can just do the thing too, and just do the other thing. I know I'm late on the party because this kind of DJI, it's announced last year. Is it last year? I think so, last year. So another kind of stuff, it's having a USB type C, having the dock. I think, how do you release this? Come on guys, how do you do it? Oh, impressive. Here you keep your phone, which is really impressive. Let us see if our phone is gonna stay in here. Yeah, it's capable. Just check it out. It's really dope. I like that. What's in here? What's this? This like paperwork or something? That's packed. Okay, I think these are paperworks. Are there even stickers in here? Come on, DJI, if you didn't give me stickers, I don't know what you're doing. There is just paperworks, guys. Just tons and tons of paperworks in here, as you can see. Yeah, nothing else in here rather than only paperwork. And this is like future of possibilities. These are the paperworks, guys. Yeah. Okay, what else do we have? This is an accessory box. So in accessory box, I think we're gonna get charger, plenty and plenty of stuffs. As you can see, you're getting some extra cable for connecting throughout this kind of controller. As you can see on the controller, there is a cable. I saw it. It's somewhere here laying around, as you can see, but this is for the iPhone, I think. So you just get like an extra one. I think just this one here. As you can see, it comes with it, with the controller. But I think this other one, the extra two, which it's really convenient, I think so. Yeah, let's see another thing. What's in here? Oh, the charging cable. So this is the USB Type-C charging for the controller, I think. And I think there'll be another charging for batteries. Is it? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so this is the charging for the controller. So this is the power brick. As you can see, guys, this is a power brick from DJI, and it's really kind of impressive. Okay, guys, last but not least, what's in here? Because I'm just way more pumped to see what's packed in here. And I think this is the battery grip. You can see these are batteries. We're having 2 batteries in here. The other battery is actually on the DJI Mini 2 here inside, which is really kind of impressive. You can see it's a really kind of dope thing to be having this kind of battery in here. And you can click it somewhere here to show you the power, but I think this battery it's over the charging. And so guys, this kind of USB port you get here, it's a charging. If you want to use it like a power bank, yes you can. And this one is the charging port, which if you just have a USB Type-C laying around, you can just charge it and you can get all the batteries charging in a moment. So it's just taking a little bit of time so as it can start charging. As you can see, the light started here blinking that this battery is getting some juice, which is really impressive. Right now we're gonna check out the DJI Mini 2. This is the drone. As you can see here, they are like sensor, which these sensors, they allow you when the drone is just going way up. And on the front there are no sensors. These are just like dummy ones, which they kept it here. But they're not sensors of the front. And you can see here the way they kept it. It's really impressive. You just unlock it, and you're gonna remove these stickers. First of all, just when you get this drone, make sure that you remove the stickers, because you won't need the stickers. And there are other stickers here at the back, which it's just this kind of sticker here. As you can see, guys, on the sensor side, this sensor is a 4K capable of shooting videos and getting pictures in a way more high-res standard, which it's really kind of impressive. Which this is the most kind of lovable of this drone. Another kind of stuff, it's really way more portable. I forgot this sticker. At the back now, you get an option for keeping an SD card, but we don't have any SD card in here. You can see there is a USB Type-C here, which is for syncing, or I think even you can charge it. I think so, you can charge it, I think so. Let us just try and see. Yeah, you can charge it to the batteries. As you can see, guys, we're charging right now, which is really kind of impressive for charging it on the go. Meanwhile, the other slice of pack is charging throughout the battery pack, which is really impressive. Okay, guys, that's what's up about this video of today. This is the DJI Mini. I was just unboxing it. I didn't share with you guys any footage. You know how much this drone it is. It's really dope. I didn't share with you, but I can share with you the footage for GoPro, the way they showed it, but I want me, my own self, to share the moment with this drone. So since the batteries are really low, I cannot do any kind of testing. I'm waiting when they are full. I'll just do some testing and I'll share with you guys a drone test footage. Just stay tuned for the next video. I won't be talking a lot. I will share the footage only with a great and amazing background music. that's what's up about this kind of video today. Let me know in the comments down below, is the DJI Mini for you or the Phantom series? They're really dope for you. To me, to be honest, I like something portability, which I can easy to carry it and go with it around here and there to make moment. And that's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.